local friends. I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I'll be making chocolate croissants in the air fryer using canned crescent rolls and chocolate chips. So easy. This is a very quick and easy air fryer dessert, and it's so delicious. So now I'm going to open up a package of crescent rolls. And I'm going to unroll them. So now I'll just put a few chocolate chips inside each piece of crescent dough. So these are mini chocolate chips. You can use regular size of chocolate chips. It will work no matter what kind of chocolate chips. And then just roll it. To make a mini croissant. And put it in the air fryer. And repeat with the remaining pieces of crescent dough. So now I've assembled the croissants, and if you'd like, you can put a few chocolate chips on top. This is optional, up to you. You just can't go wrong with more chocolate. And now the croissants are ready for baking. So let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And I will set the temperature to 320 degrees Fahrenheit. And I will set the time to 10 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at the chocolate croissants. Look at them, they look amazing, perfectly cooked, so nicely brown and big and have chocolate. I'm so excited about trying them. Let me take them out of the air fryer. Perfect. Look at them. They look so good and they're so soft. Wow, let's see. Wow, with melted chocolate chips inside. This is amazing. I'm so excited about trying it. Now let's try it. Mmm. Perfect croissant texture with hot melted chocolate inside. You're going to love these chocolate croissant. Air fryer makes it so easy to make them. For a pre-printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!